I will explain now more on the terminology used in Excel. A workbook. It is a file in a spreadsheet program. The name can be found on the top and middle of your screen, like over here. A worksheet. It is a smaller section of a workbook designated by the Sheet tabs at the bottom of the screen. A workbook can have multiple worksheets, just like here. I have Sheet 1, Source Data, Cell Basic, Fill Handle. You can click and expand the individual sheet to see what's in it. Also, it is important to know which mouse function to use when selecting a single cell or a range of cells. A range of cells meaning block of cells. A single cell is pretty simple. You simply click on a particular cell with your mouse. But if you wanted to select more than one cell or range of cells, you select the very first cell you wanted to include. Make sure your mouse is in the plus white sign mode, just like this. Then hold down your left mouse button, move the mouse across the column, across the row to as many cells as you wanted to include, up or down. If you wanted to select an entire column, simply click on the letters on the top, such as column A or column B. If I wanted to select column B, simply click on the letter B. What if I wanted to select more than one column at a time? Let's say I want column B through D. Select the column B first, hold down my left mouse button, and I'm going to drag it to the right. Remember, I am doing it in the column heading area. What if you wanted to select the entire row? If I wanted to select entire row number 4, I'm going to simply click on the letter 4. What if I wanted to select more than one row at a time? Simply click the first row in the margin area over here, hold down your left mouse button and drag the mouse as many rows as you want to select. Lastly, I wanted to show you how to get to the first and the last entry of your data quickly. I am somewhere on the middle of the sheet right now. If I wanted to get to the first entry of the data, I am going to hold down the Control button and hit Home while I'm still holding down the Control button. Control and Home will get me to the cell number A1, which is the very first entry of your data. If I do Control and, I will go to the last entry of my data. So remember, Control Home will get you to the first entry of the data. Control N will let you get to the last entry of your data quickly. This training is brought to you by the Electronic Services Division of the Akron Summit County Public Library. Thank you for watching.